That's what I was saying to the woman at the cashier till. Oh, great. I'll skip 2 messages of support. I'll just use my hands. Oh no.
Hey, you have something right there.
Nick, you bumped him.
I need to blow my nose.